Hello there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. The question says solve for x and the following base 2 equation, leaving your answer in base 2. Now, how do we solve this question? Let us go. Alright, so this is in base 2. So let us convert to base 10. So remember, we are meant to convert all this now into what? Base 10 before we can what? Get the value of our x. Okay? Now this is equal to 1 times 2. Okay? 0 times what? 0 times what? Times 2. Alright? Now everything times what? Times x. Remember that we are converting towards to base 10. So here is 0. And then here is what? Here is 1. Is that clear? So at the end of the day now, what do we have? This is equal to 1 times. Now 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Okay? Bracket open, bracket close. Now I'm going to bring this x. Is that clear? So at the end of the day now, I'm having 1 times 2 is 2 plus 0 times 1 is 0. Okay, so 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 times x is what? Is 2x. Now this is not in what? In base 10. Is that clear? Now the same thing I'm going to what? Apply here. I'm having what? 11 what? In base 2. So let's convert to what? To base 10. Now this is equal to 1 times is 2 plus 1 times is 2. Okay, then here is 0 and here is 1. Is that clear? So at the end of the day, we'll be having now 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. Okay, then here is 1. 2 to the power 0 is what? Is 1. Is that clear? So what is 1 times 2? 1 times 2 is 2. Then what is 1 times 1? 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, so what is 2 plus 1? So 2 plus 1 gives us what? 3. So 3 in base what? In base 10. Is that clear? Alright, so let's come back here. We're having 1 and 0. Okay, that's 10 in base 2. Okay, so we've done that here before. So we'll be having what? We'll be having 2 in base what? In base 10. Is that clear? Alright, then we're having 100. So let us do for 100. 100 is in base what? In base 2. So let's convert 100 to what? To base 10. Alright, so that is 1 times 2. Okay, 0 times 2. Then 0 times 2. Okay, now here is what? 0, 1, and 2. Is that clear? So at the end of the day now, what do I have? So I'm having 1 times. Okay, so let me come here, somewhere here. So that gives us 100. Okay, base what? 100 base 2 is equal to. Now 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 is what? Is 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2 plus 0. Okay, times 2 raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. So this gives us 1 times 4 is 4. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. So that gives us what? 4 in what? In base 10. Alright, now let's now come back in. This, okay, 10x. We got 2x base 10. Okay, so let us write 2x minus. Now 11, we got what? We got 3 base 10. So let's write 3 brackets open 1 plus x bracket close over what? 10 is what? Is 2. And that's equal to 100. Okay, that gives us what? 4. Is that clear? So what do we now do here? Alright, so we can find the LCM. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So if I divide 2 by 1 is 2. Okay, 2 times 2x, that is 4x minus. If I divide 2 by 2, I'm going to get what? 1. 1 times 3 gives us 3. So 3 brackets, 1 plus what? 1 plus x. Is that clear? And this is equal to what? 4. Am I communicating? At this point, I can cross multiply. I'm having 4x minus 3 times 1 is 3. Minus times plus is minus. 3 times x is 3x equals 2 times 4. Is that clear? So that gives us 4x minus 3 minus 3x equals what? Equals 8. So at this point, we can collect what? Like terms. Okay? 4x minus 3x gives us x. The minus 3 comes here, becomes plus 3. So 8 plus 3, that gives us what? 11. Is that clear? Remember, is in what? Is in base 10. But we are asked to leave our answer in base 2. Now, how do we what get our answer in base 2? Okay, so you can come somewhere here, write 11. Okay, so 2 in 11 will give us what? 5. Okay, 5 remainder what? 1. Okay, 2 in 5 is 2 remainder what? 1. Then 2 in 2 is 1 remainder 0. Okay, and 2 here is what? 0 remainder 1. So we are going to take it what? Up. So at the end of the day now, our x in base what? In base 2, okay, in base 2 will be equal to what? 1 0 1 1. Okay, so 1 0 1 1. That is what? In base 2. So it means 11 base 10 will give us what? 1 0 1 1 base 2. So that is the value of our x. Is that clear? Thank you.